got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy. Off from my city, off from my home. No ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. All those things so keep dancing. Everybody say. Break it down. Can't stop the feeling. Can't stop the feeling. Got this feeling in my body. Ooh.
Piliin mo maging masaya. Tandaan mo yan. Ang buhay ay isa lang. Bye-bye!
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night.
What's up, what's up? Hello mga Kadmar! Nandito lang kami sa karagatan para maglayag kasama ang Admar Team Builder Family!
Good night. I feel that's
Hi everyone, good morning. We are here now in Manila with our team, with Mom Flor, fresh from USA, and the rest of the team, ADB Builder, Mabuhay! Good afternoon everyone. So masaya ako, nakarating ako ngayon. And syempre nagpapasalamat ako sa aming upline, si Miss Jenny, nakasama ko sa US last week. Mga mentors, si Shanghai, then of course si Jason and si Taz, and lahat ng teams na nandito, lahat ng members. So masayang masaya ako.
Good morning everyone and welcome to our paglalayag with Miss Jenny, Jaime and the rest of the leaders here in Manila now.
Good morning everyone! Welcome dito sa aming white party, yacht party, and everything.
So exciting! I'm Carol and we are the ADB team exploring Manila.
Time, sir.
Ayan, so hello mga ka-admire, my name is Eric J. Andito kami ngayon sa Yate, dito sa Manila. So this is an opportunity, salamat sa mga sponsors na meron kami, Ma'am Jenny Jaime, Sir Shanghai Rodriguez, and yes, this is an opportunity dito sa Admar Gym Builders. If you want this opportunity, sama ka sa amin. Okay!
Hello everyone! Welcome to our Layag Mode. Ang saya-saya ng Admar Dream Builders team, and thank you to Ma'am Jenny. Thank you everyone and let's celebrate!
Hello po! Isa po mapagpalang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much sa lahat ng kasama po namin dito sa Manila, sa Yate, with the team of Ma'am Flor. Galing pa po siya ng US. Napakaganda po kasi kasama namin po siya dito. And the team of Engineer Eric na kung saan yung community niya is patuloy po sa paglaki, and the rest of the team na family po ng Admire Dream Builders, naniniwala po kami of this kind of community na wala pong ibang ginagawa kundi maging masaya habang po nagtatrabaho at nagtatravel. Kaya po sa lahat po ng mga kapanood nito, kung naghahanap po kayo ng opportunity na nag-i-enjoy kayo, kasama nyo pa po yung mga gusto nyo pong makasama sa ganito pong opportunity, samahan nyo po kami at ini-invite po namin kayo na makasama po. Okay? Yun lang po. God bless. See you!
Hello, Admire. I'm happy to be with Amari Group. Then, this is my first time to go with the group, and I'm happy to be with you. So, exciting and amazing. Sit back and relax.
Yes. Hello everyone! I'm so happy! Mom, thank you so much for this opportunity that you have given us. Thank you so much. With the bottom of our hearts, talagang ang saya-saya talaga namin. First time in our life. And Mom Flor, thank you for being here with us. Kahit na napakalayo mo, pero ginawan mo pa rin ang paraan para makasama kami. Sir Sean, thank you so much. And with the team, with the core team of the ADB, thank you for this opportunity. And we go and believe to be a diamond.
We are here with the Admire Dream Builder, with our coach Shanghai Rodriguez, and with the collaboration of Ma'am Jenny, the Green Diamond, and the Amari Company. And we thank you, Lord, for having with us today. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you! Good morning, everyone! Masaya kami ngayon nandito sa Yati. Magkaroon kami ng white party. Thank you kay Ma'am Jenny, kay Sir Chang, sa lahat ng mga kasamahan. We enjoy the moment. Kung gusto nyo sumali, come join with us. Yay!
Good morning, everybody. We are here now at this layag ng layag because of the EDB team with the Ma'am Jenny. We are here and all the visitors who are guests today and all the members of EDB exploring and adventure. Well, we are all very much thankful to the Lord that we are given this opportunity. This afternoon, we have fun and beat a diamond.
Hi guys! So this is Amelia from Admire Dream Builders, and I'm so happy and blessed that I am here in our White Yacht Party, and I would like to say thank you to Miss Jenny and to our mentor Shanghai Rodriguez for this opportunity. And if you want to join our team, come and reach me out.
Thank you very much, Amari!
Hello everyone! Good morning! Salamat kay Sir Shanghai, aming mentor, kay Ma'am Jenny, dahil dito sa white party na ito. Sa lahat na galing pa sa malayo, no? Si Ma'am Flor, nandito para mag-enjoy sa yacht party. Kita nyo naman, nakaputi lahat para sa Road for Diamond!
Hello friends! Welcome to Admire Dream Builders, and we are here in Manila Bay. Conducting now a yacht party. Look at everyone, we are doing our yacht party, white party now. So enjoy and sit back and relax.
We'll shut it down. Let's burn the roof. And then we'll do it again. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. And do it. And do it. Let's live it up and do it. And do it. And do it. Do it. Do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Here we come.